Apostle Paul Ameh will start with you, and then Pastor, and then Pastor Dele, just to make a declaration. Please receive whilst you are writing. Go ahead, sir.
Lord, according to your word in Nehemiah chapter 9 and verse 27, you said, by your manifold mercy, you raised saviors to deliver them from their enemies. By this sound of revival, I declare, let saviors be raised in this house. In the name of Jesus. Saviors that will bring deliverance from their enemy. Saviors that will bring deliverance in families, in systems, in politics. Lord, by your grace, let the saviors be raised in the name of Jesus. We decree and declare by the mercy of God that this land receive deliverance in the name of Jesus. Let there be revivals in our ministry, in our family, in our finances, in the name of Jesus Christ. I challenge every demonic dreams that affect your physical progress, every demonic dream that manipulates your expectation. By the power of God, those dreams are cancelled and your deliverance is released in the name of Jesus Christ. We command right now, let there be a release of grace for supernatural happenings in the name of the living God. In Jesus' mighty